Congressman, kasi first time mo makatrabaho si Judy Ann Santos, di ba? And alam ko nung bata ka, isa si Judy Ann sa mga hinahangaan mo. So when you first learned na makakasama mo si Juday sa Bagman, what did you feel?
Every hair in my body standing. Sabi ko, oh my God, parang nag-360 yung aking karera. Because ever since I started, one of the reasons why I kept saying this, Esperanza Days kasi with mommy, but
Yes.
it's the script I used to call this, Kopya. Hindi Kopya, pang babae yung script na, but then I understood it kasi it was drama. And mimicking and copying siguro back in the days, they didn't notice it directly became an influence to me. And then later, nandito nga ako. And then, parang after how many years, coming from that beginning, and then starting in showbiz, and then bigla na lang makakatrabaho din pala siya ng big project. So when I found out, to be honest, goosebumps, everything else, mixed emotions, I was happy, I was crying. Because I was just very emotional to be given the opportunity to work with her. Kasi it's one of my goals.
First taping day, eksena nung nagkita kayo for the first
Wala,
time?
sumilip na ako nakakatawa. Nasilip pa lang naman sa first day. We had few scenes together kasi I'm not to tell you the scenes kasi nga baka masira yung story. It's for you to watch. But when we cross naman kami, we had some scenes to play with, through lines with. It's amazing. Of course. For me, it's amazing. I very much appreciate her professionalism, the way she is. Has always ever since I've known her. Again, it's such an opportunity. This is my dream to be able to do this.
What do you mean kinokopya? Yung script, ina-acting mo, yung laman ng script, kinokopya, gano'n?
Ano po kinakopya?
Sabi mo kanina kinokopya mo yung script.
Na Esperanza.
Opo. Nalito na ako doon, sorry. Yeah, parang nung bata po ako kasi di mo na-skip si mami sa drama, nakikita namin sa dating. Pag-away, kagayahin ko. And because atin sa Island.
Yes.
So yung po yung nag-start. So, that was me being influenced as a kid. Growing up, I've done so on and so forth.
Ano yung memorable scene nyo together, ni Juday?
I think the whole experience, besides that, bias aside, is parang interrogation, playful interrogation. Yun lang naman, hindi ko na magkwento ng iba kasi let's spoil a bit of the story. But definitely one of an interrogation scenes that is one of the things that we enjoy. Play around with some certain beats and some certain things. So saya po ako, I was given the opportunity to express that creativity in that box of interrogation. Sabi ko, oh my God, it's a room of experience with her. With people, John and the rest of the cast.
Idea mo na kunin siya o ng Nathan Studio?
No, I think siya naman po talaga yung target when they were writing it. Si Direk Shogo naman, he writes and then eventually, I don't know, it's for him to explain. Pero as what I know, pumapasok din sa utak niya somewhat kung sino. Of course, it's an idea. And of course, ating Juday sa ating Juday. No other options. It was her. And we're glad it was her. So I was given this opportunity. Kasi obviously, onting conflict lang with nothing but schedule. So we're very happy, so happy at the end, last minute or so, we were able to adjust her schedule and she was able to commit in the show. So, sobrang blessed.
Kasi yung role niya, very Madam President, very Kamala Harris ang peg.
Po, film this sa Kamala Harris. This is a story, it's a very nice character. Very, very nice character.